YouTube, we back with stash update part 2 of my 2019 stash update. I want to let you guys see what we picked up today. It's very nice, very nice, very nice. I'm really impressed with what I have so far. Rolling into the stash though, we're gonna keep it going. This is the update, just part 2 of what I got. I want you guys to check it out. Definitely hope you enjoy. Definitely give likes. Definitely subscribe. Keep up with what I'm doing. Definitely gonna give a 2019 show for you guys this year. It's gonna be nice. I'm still getting things in. Like I said, I get things in by the case. I definitely want you guys to check out what I have and what I picked up today. I posted a video earlier when I was picking the stuff up, and now we're gonna do the stash part 2, the update. So definitely check it out. Hope you guys like it once again. So let's jump right into it, okay? Starting off first is the G-Force by Window. Pretty sure you guys are familiar with those shells. Spin them around for you. Let's check them out. Let you guys check them out. G-Force shells. Got a case of those. Don't worry about the stuff underneath. We'll get back into that in a second. That's from stash part 1, my firework stash for 2019. Alright, moving along. We got a case of Game On by Window. It's 40 shots. I'm not going to do the effects right now, but I can definitely come back and do another video with the effects. If you guys want that, just let me know and I'll give you the effects if you haven't seen the cake or just watching on YouTube. Next up, we have The Heat Is On by Window. 20 shots. Have a case of those. Next up, we got Artistic Pyro by Window. As a matter of fact, this is a 2019 Window cake, if I'm not mistaken. Artistic Pyro, I'm not sure. But we got a lot of stuff in from Window that's new for 2019. And I'm thinking this is one of them. Not too sure, but I'll definitely double check. But I can just about guarantee that this is a new one for 2019. If that's not correct, just let me know. Next up is Notorious. Got a case of those. Those are actually 6 to a case. It's 33 shotter. The Artistic Pyro was a 45 shot. 40 for the Game On. 20 for the Heat Is On. Next up, man, I'm so happy to have these next ones that I'm about to show you guys. I'm actually going to get another case of these guys in, but oh my god, I'm so happy to have them. Mother of all bombs, baby. Check them out, check them out, check them out. I just love them. Oh my god, I love them. Couldn't wait to get these things in. Once I seen them, I knew it was just like love at first sight. You guys believe in that? When it comes to Mother of All Bombs, you definitely believe in love at first sight, because when you see it, you'll fall in love with it if you haven't seen it before. Especially when you fire it off for the first time. Oh my god, it is nice. Got a couple of them going together, really look good. Next up, I don't know if you guys are familiar with these cakes that I'm about to show you. I at least know one of the next ones you guys are familiar with, but I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Golden Peacock. I'm not sure if this one is a 2019 winter cake. I'm really not sure, but if it is, let me know. Like I say, we got a lot of 2019 winter cakes in. This is 149 shot Golden Peacock by Winda. At least this is my first time having it, but if you guys know something, definitely let me know. But I have two of those. Next up is the Amazing Ballet by Winda. $222 shots. The Peacock was 149 shots. Amazing Ballet, of course, everybody already know those are 220 shots. Really nice. See, they got a new wrapper on it this year from the ones I had last year. It had the 220 in yellow. It didn't have the numbers the way it is now, but hey, it's the same cake. Still love it. It's nice. That pretty much concludes part 2 of my stash update. But I would walk you guys down through part 1. Probably the last time that I walk you guys through part 1. Now that I have part 2 up. Any other time you can just go back and watch the part 1 video. It's just a small recap of what I got. Part 3 get here, then we'll just start from there. Probably come back a little bit through part 2. Maybe not. But from part 1, I have a case of the Echo and the Ear Shells by Winda. I have a case of the Muscle Core Assortment by Red Rhino.
Turn your house into the turn-up spot with Spectrum. Make that switch today and give everyone in your home the TV and internet experience they'll love. Spectrum Double Play offers top-notch TV and the fastest internet speeds for only $44.99.
And I also have a case of Avalanche
or even award shows
by Winda.
776170250 right now and get the best TV and internet services for your house. You don't want to be
Excuse me for the advertisements in the background. I think I should be getting paid for this stuff, but hey.
Multiple devices are connected. Come on, become the turn-up house on the block.
Case of the Winda Avalanche, 16 shots. The Muscle Cores were also 16 shots. The Muscle Core Assortment Pack. Then continuing on from part 1, I have a case of Bold Colors. 20 shots. Like I said, I'm not going to go through the effects of every cake, but maybe I'll do a video or something like that just to give you the effects if you haven't seen it, but I would recommend that you just check it out on YouTube. It's a lot easier. But a case of Firefly, 16 shots by Brothers. Like the graphics on those. Next up is a case of Razzmatazz. It's a 30-shot Brothers cake.
Call me at 314 or 618. I got you. Or visit us online at IGotYou.net.
Got a case of those too. Next up is Can't Touch This by Winda, 28 shot. Case of those. Got a case of the Killer Cake down here, 19 shot by Winda.
Loved by professionals, open to everyone. Sally Beauty.
Had a case of America's Celebration by World Class, 12 shot, hard hitting big breaks. Next up, I have a case of Yeah Baby Yeah by Brothers, 28 shot. Really nice cake. I like the way it shoot off. Definitely check out the video on that one also. Next up, we have a case of Open Fire. Really, really nice. If you ask me, had them last year, got them this year. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to have them every year. Then, last but not least, we have a case of Air Boss, 37 shot by Brothers. And that's going back through part 1 and 2. Just to let you guys check it out. This is recap of what I got. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely like, subscribe. We had a nice 4th of July 2019. And this is, like I say, this is a second update. So when I get ready to do part 3, we'll probably just go back through part 2. But that was the last time I'll go back through part 1. If you guys are wondering, I can actually fly the airplane that you see in the background. It's my F-14. I actually got the F-18 and the F-16 too. I say thank you guys for watching. Definitely check me out. Keep up with what I'm doing. Love fireworks. Hope you guys love fireworks as much as I love fireworks. I'm going to keep blowing stuff up. Thank you guys for watching. Bradleyboomfireworks. See you in the next video.